Gravitas this year is the 5th edition, and I find the events are going up more in number and the participants also going up year after year. And I would like to congratulate all our organizers, our student organizers, for bringing more students, and particularly this year our students have brought the Indian Army. Just now I had an opportunity to visit the exhibition of the Indian Army. It's a very good thing, and this is going on year after year, and it shows not only getting more participants but shows the organizing capacity of our students. I'm so proud about it.
See, the future technology, that is the caption this year. So in this regard, a lot of developments in the field that we are going to demonstrate in various exhibitions and workshops. So if the students, if they participate, a lot of things they'll come across regarding the developments in the field. Yeah.
There have been so many sponsors which is associated with us, and it's just their support which really makes us to make this fest a very grand success. And our major sponsor for this year is Schneider Electric. They were our major sponsors in 2010 and they're back again after 3 years. So we are very happy to have long-term association with Schneider Electric.
Every year we have a different feeling, and of course we had our old organizers who are coming over here, so we had even a nostalgic feeling when we met them, and it's good that our alumni are coming over here and again participating in Gravitas.
All of us are blessed with very good student organizers and managers, and they do. We are proud to say that they do most of the work, and we are just there to guide them. So most of the work are being done by them, and we are just coordinating. And Gravitas is successful only because the students are working really hard, and also we have got a very good team of students to do it.
Couple of events which we've gone around is, one is the World Chess Association. They're doing an event, and I heard that is really nice, with having students go through the algorithms and making the Rubik's Cube. It's basically a Rubik's Cube challenge. I think that was really good.
Hello VIT, this is Team Spartans bringing you the exclusive coverage of India's one of the most awaited fests, Gravitas 2013.
So here we have with us a contestant of the paintball. So sorry sir, did you like the paintball?
Yeah, it was awesome. It was so fun, man.
So your team did really win or what?
Yeah, obviously we won by 6-1. We won. We nailed it. This is one event you have to attend, paintball. If you are afraid of this event, don't be. This is one of the funnest events you'll ever go to.
यहाँ पे हमें के टोटल 12 लोग आए हुए हैं, जिनमें से एक कर्नल है, और ये अपने साथ जो वेपन्स लाए हुए एक्चुअली दीज आर द कॉमन वेपन्स. These are used by most of the countries. So actually 4 of them are made by India. इंडिया ने 4 बनाए हुए इसमें से और उनको इम्प्रूव करे हुए हैं, और अभी भी इंडिया का डेवलपमेंट चल रहा है आगे के वेपन्स बनाने के लिए.
मेरा भी फेवरेट 9mm पिस्टल है, सबसे सिंपल और इजी है चलाने में सबसे.
मेरा फेवरेट है इंसास असॉल्ट राइफल, क्योंकि एक एम उसकी अच्छी आएगी, रेंज भी सही है, और भाई दोनों से ज़्यादा रेंज मिलती है, तो जानलेवा ज़्यादा वो है तो इसकी.
और एक बात ये कहना है कि ये पहली बार हो रहा है VIT के अंदर, और इवन चांसलर सर यहाँ पर आए, उन्होंने काफ़ी तारीफ़ की इस प्रोग्राम की, और उन्होंने अगली बार कहा कि लार्ज स्केल पर इसको करवाएंगे.
Hello, this little guy is solving a Rubik's Cube. What is your name?
Siddharth.
And your name, please?
I'm Sri Raman.
So, he's solving from what age?
He started for the last 1 year. He has been practicing and he has come in the top 10 of this event.
That was pretty fast as you saw that. And what's your lowest timing?
I think it's around 10 seconds or something.
Oh, that's really great.
Now I'd like to talk to the coordinators.
Hi, I'm Keetna here.
And you are?
I'm Apurva.
How is the overall turnout of the event?
It's an amazing event. People are having fun out here. So yeah, and the turnout has been as usual awesome.
Hello everyone, we are in the Firefox OS workshop. Can you elaborate about the Firefox OS workshop?
Yeah, sure. Actually, the people from Firefox OS, Firefox developers are coming here and they are teaching everything about the Firefox app development and the Firefox OS development. They are here for the 2 days, nearly 14 hours. It's an hands-on session by the Firefox reps.
Basic agenda of this workshop was to tell people and educate them about the open web and why the internet is important and why it is the way it is right now and why should they care about doing that. So we actually talked about the open web.
Hello VIT, we are in TT and attending an event called TAGI, Talk at Green India. This is one of the most popular and environment friendly event going over here. This is the most popular being held for past 4 years, and we are here with the coordinators and the managers who have really managed and worked really very hard for this event. Let's know what was their experience. Okay.
We have to include all the green elements in our society. Like VIT is a very green campus. So we are trying to implement this all over the India.
We are trying to plant the new trees in the university and outside the university area.
And we even had a pre-Gravitas event called Prayas, in which we made 2,820 paper bags. So of course we are doing some great for VIT University.
This is really very nice to see that such a problematic situation in this country and having an event improving so many students and everything. This is really nice to see you here. Thank you so much.
Hello VIT. As we all know, we are here in Reno for Namaste China. Now they are having many events. Now we are going to cover one of them. What is the name of this event?
It's Namaste China.
Okay.
And I'm selling the Chinese schools for you guys.
Okay. So it's kind of a craft exhibition. Okay. May I know your name first?
Yes, you can call me Alice.
Alice. Okay. So can you explain a bit about the Chinese culture?
Sure. We have a long history in China, and you see, we call this facial mask, and we wear it when we have shows. And this is our Chinese jade. You know, Chinese is very famous in China. Women like jade because jade in our mind is priceless. We can't evaluate the price of jade.
VIT students is very friendly. I like it.
Yeah. Chinese people and Indian people is very smart and very diligent.
We have students from China, and I'm highly impressed with them. They are so energetic, so intelligent, so hardworking. This friend of mine is a good friend of mine, and I welcome all my Chinese friends. Indo-China, bye, we are great friends. And together we will be the greatest in the world. Thank you.
Today here we have with us
Manikandan. I have organized an event called Golden Gift. It's an awareness program to emphasize the need of organ donation.
So how's the turnout in that event?
Yeah, it's great. It's going good. I am spreading the awareness. It feels good.
Kind of athlete. You seem to be a kind of athlete guy.
Yeah, I am a district champion this year and I have been selected to play for the Tamil Nadu State Championship.
Hello VIT, you are here with me Mayuresh and we are at the IEYS conference. So tell us what exactly is IEYS?
Okay, IEYS stands for India Emerge Youth Summit 2013. This is the second time we're having IEYS over here. And the main agenda of IUIS is it's on corruption, how to eradicate corruptions. And for the same purpose, we've got a lot of honorable speakers over here, a lot of keynote speakers. Some of them being Mr. Syed Khirmani, who was in the World Cup, who back in 1983 World Cup, who was the wicket-keeper of the Indian team. And then we also have Mr. Meer Ranjan Negi, who's on whom the movie Chak De India is based, and he coached the Indian women hockey team. So, it's great to have a lot of speakers over here at the same time talking on a specific agenda.
So here we were with Just Stage, and he has told us what exactly IUIS is. There's a lot of cultural events going on in the background.
Simple question. Okay. Can you tell what's the tagline of our Gravitas? No idea?
No.
No idea?
Unleash your...
You are volunteer, right?
Yeah, but...
Unleash the genius or something?
Oh, that's wrong. You're close enough.
It's unleash something. Unleash...
There's a Gravitas logo and there's written something in...
Don't know.
Can you?
1 second.
I know that. Unleash your genius.
Oh, that's correct.
I have no idea.
I will give you a hint. Unleash your
Talent.
a close guess, but not correct. Any other?
Unleash your I don't know.
I don't get it. I don't remember.
Okay, the answer was unleash your genius.
Tagline, something.
Gravitas tagline.
Yeah, tagline. It's something related with genius.
Unleash your genius.
That is cheating.
A great member of over here with us, Sanchit Agrawal, President of Student Council. So let's have a talk. Exactly what is going over here? Can you please explain a little?
So today we have Day 2 cultural event in Gravitas. Basically today we'll have dance events and a fashion show. Fashion show we have 2 themes for you, and for dance we have 3 themes.
Hello VID, this is Mayuresh and I am standing here in an auditorium. Behind me you can see everyone is super charged, and for that we have the one and only dance team, the Chargers. With me I have the head of Chargers. What's your name?
My name is Tapasvi.
You have just finished your performance. I can see a lot of sweat on your heads. How do you feel right now?
Yeah, we were very happy performing for every Gravitas, and this was a big awesome event what we have performed all this time, and I love dancing on stage for Gravitas.
Dancing for Gravitas must have been extreme pleasure. How did you prepare for Gravitas?
Yeah, we took nearly more than 1 week for preparation for Gravitas, and all the juniors are very good. They have done all the choreos on their own, and we didn't suggest anything actually as seniors. They were very good at their part. Chargers!
Here with Judds and Juliets. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Angad.
So how was your performance?
It was totally awesome. Like we had a lot of voting.
So how is the crowd here?
The crowd is fantastic. We enjoyed a lot. It was hooting and all. We were very enjoying the moment.
Jo bole,
so Nehal, Sat Shri Akal.
Hello VIT. Now over here I have Mr. Avan Datta, Vice President of the Student Council. So Bhaiya, how are you feeling this year's Gravitas?
I am feeling great. I think this year's Gravitas is even bigger and better. You can see the crowd over here. It's
such huge crowd we have, and it's a lovely cultural program is going on. So I think people are having a really good time.
Yeah, you're correct. We have a tremendous crowd present over here.
Here we have an ex-Gravitas organizer from the year 2008. Sir, how are you feeling? Like, what is the difference between that year Gravitas and this year?
And really it feels very great after returning back after 2 years and seeing our juniors, those people who worked with us once at higher posts with red tags, white tags, and it feels that yes, they have put up a great show and a well-versed show which everyone can be proud of. I'm really proud of this show.
So you are enjoying right now? You're
absolutely,
to the fullest.
I'm enjoying absolutely. The show is our one side. And it's the second day and I'm not like, I came here for a day and I'm staying back for 3 days. I guarantee that.
Hello, we are in transmission booth of VIT Community Radio 90.8 and we have here live announcers of this radio. Hello, what is your name?
Meghal Bhatt.
And yours?
Deepika.
So how do you manage everything on air?
See, it's really simple. You come here, you just gotta speak your heart out. So I believe it's plain and simple. I love my job, so it just comes out natural. Maybe you can call me a natural.